The summary of grades is as follows. Mark range between 400 and 500. We had 9,443, and as I've said, the best score was 431, which makes 0.77 when we come to percentage. Mark between 300 and 399, we had 307,756, making it 24.94%. Between 200 and 299, we had a total of 619,593 candidates, making it 50.22%. Those who scored between 100 and 199 were 296,336, making it 24.2%. Those who scored between 1 and 99 were 724, making it 0.06%. The total number that sat the examination were 1,233,852, making it a percentage of 99.16%. The overall performance for special